Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we make tech concepts simple and fun. Today, we're diving into the world of algorithms. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on the basics, we've got you covered. We'll explain 10 must-know algorithms, including binary search, bubble sort, and merge sort. Let's get started. First things first, what is an algorithm? Simply put, an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem or perform a task. Think of it like a recipe for your computer to follow. Now, let's jump into our first algorithm. Let's start with binary search. This is a super efficient way to find an item in a sorted list. Here's how it works. Start by looking at the middle element of the list. If it's the number you're looking for, great, you're done. If not, check if your target is smaller or larger than the middle element. Eliminate the half of the list where the target can't be and repeat the process. Binary search is super fast. It reduces the search space by half every time, making it much faster than checking every single element. Next up is bubble sort, one of the simplest sorting algorithms. It works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they're in the wrong order. Here's how it goes. Start at the beginning of the list. Compare the first two elements. If the first is larger, swap them. Move to the next pair and repeat. Keep doing this until the entire list is sorted. Bubble sort is easy to understand, but it's not the most efficient for large datasets. Still, it's a great starting point for learning about sorting. Now, let's talk about merge sort. This is a more advanced sorting algorithm that uses a divide and conquer approach. Here's how it works. Split the list into smaller sublists until each sublist has only one element. Merge the sublists back together in sorted order. Repeat until the entire list is sorted. Merge sort is much faster than bubble sort for large datasets, and it's a great example of how breaking a problem into smaller parts can make it easier to solve. Here are a few more algorithms you should know. Quicksort, another divide and conquer algorithm that's faster than merge sort in many cases. Insertion sort builds the sorted list one element at a time, great for small datasets. Selection sort finds the smallest element and swaps it to the front, repeating until sorted. Depth first search, DFS, explores as far as possible along a branch before backtracking. Breadth first search, BFS, explores all neighbors at the present level before moving deeper. Dijkstra's algorithm finds the shortest path between 2 points in a graph. Dynamic programming breaks problems into smaller subproblems to optimize solutions. Maybe we will create a playlist explaining all those algorithms. Let me know in the comment. And there you have it, 10 must-know algorithms for beginners. From binary search to merge sort, these are the building blocks of computer science. Understanding them will help you tackle more complex problems and write better code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. And let us know in the comments which algorithm you'd like me to code and explain next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!